You search for how to buy shares of Lixte Biotechnology Holdings Inc. Lixte is a biotechnology company developing oncology and immunology therapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LIXT. This video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering on eToro, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LIXT. Then select the matching Lixte Biotechnology Holdings Inc. listing from the search results to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, check basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the displayed name, ticker LIXT, and NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy and enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After your order is executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio. For the platform link and to follow the steps shown, find the eToro link in the description below.